Okay, good evening everyone. So I am as a representative of my group, representing Banana Lab for this project. For this assignment, I would like to deliver you or present IPR of Banana Lab. So start with the description. So Banana Lab is culinary brand that combines both local and modern cuisines such as pisang gapit, and also pisang lumer and pisang crispy. Here you can see the pictures of pisang gapit, pisang crispy, and pisang lumer. And also we represented by its mascot. We call it as Bubuna. So let's meet this our mascot Bubuna.
Okay, the next are market or proposition. Banana Lab offers affordable price with authentic traditional banana menus presented in modern segmentation. Hygiene and attractive weighing mascot character that is face of our brand. Our target market are youth and young adult aged 50 to 30 years old who love local snacks. And next is creative economy sector. Sub-sector are culinary, food and beverages. Banana Lab belongs to the culinary sector as it innovates local food product made from natural ingredients balanced through the creative flavors. And next are sustainability SDGs connection. SDG 8, decent work and economic growth. Banana Labs support local economic growth by collaborating with small banana suppliers and local snack sellers. The brand creates a new job opportunities for youth and contribute to sustainable entrepreneurship in the culinary sector. And the last are sustainability cities and communities by promoting traditional Indonesian banana-based snack such as pisang apik from Sumatra and gapit from Jawa Timur. Banana Lab help preserve regional culinary heritage and strengthen the community pride and local culture.
So talking about the IPR itself, so there are two elements of Banana Lab's IPR, starting from the logos. Here we have Banana Lab logos with the bananas, colored yellow and green. So type of IPR that we currently assume is trademark, as the logos in the names. It's to protect the names, the visuals, or the logos that have been created. And also the second one is its mascot, or we call it Bubuna. So we use the copyright as the IPR. It is to protect banana's characters, visuals, and the artwork that will be made. So I forgot to introduce our members, starting from me, Muhammad Hidayat, and Sahru, Nadia, Devina, and Najla. I think that's all. Thank you. Good evening.